Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys I'm going to show you how you could solve the problem related to Windows 10 sound not working. So after doing a format, an upgrade or an update, you realize that the sound doesn't work anymore in your computer. Even though doing a restart, a reset didn't work. So if this is the case for you, then this video is for you. So first we will go to the search tab and we will type Device Manager. And we'll open the Control Panel Device Manager. After that, we will look and try to locate the sound drivers. So here you should find audio input and output. And when you click on it, if there is no yellow triangle, then everything is fine when it comes to driver. Otherwise, if you have unidentified device, then you have a problem with the drivers. So if everything is fine and you have drivers, then we can go and we can type audio in the search tab, manage audio devices, and here you can click and select the device which you want to use. The computer speakers, you click set default, apply, and then you click OK. And you can go to sound and you can try to test if it's working or not. This is for the sound. If the drivers are not installed or after trying this fix, the first fix, it didn't work, then you can always click with the right button for the mouse, you check the properties, or you can just select the device which is usually speakers high definition audio device. You click with the right button of the mouse and you select update drivers. We are going to search automatically and we will let Windows work in the background. Windows is saying that this is the most updated driver, so we will just close. You will have to perform a restart. If it's still not working, then you can come back and click uninstall device. After you click uninstall device, we will close it and we will go to the Google or whatever browser you are using, and here you will type the name of your computer or the brand, Lenovo, HP, Asus, Acer, Dell, whatever brand, and you type the series of computer. Let's say I have T420, and you will type drivers and you press enter. You will look for the page of the constructor of your computer and you will click on it, and it's usually starting with PC support or support. And here we are going to locate the operating system to get the drivers. So if you had a Windows 7 or Windows 8 computer and you have done the upgrade to Windows 10 and you see that here you don't have the Windows 10 party or the Windows 10 option, then select the one which the initial operating system which your computer was using. So mine was using as operating system Windows 7 64-bit, and you can go and select if it was Windows 8, you can go ahead with it. To decide if it's a 64-bit or 32-bit, you can always go back, click on the search tab, and here you will type dxdiag. You will run this command. You will wait just a few seconds. Our window will pop up to show us the information. And under operating system, it shows us if it's a 64-bit or if it's a 32-bit. So here I'm going to select Windows 7 64-bit, component audio. And here we are going to click to see the drivers. And we're going to click to extend. And here we will just download the driver. So the driver is being downloaded. So after the driver was downloaded, we will click with the right button of the mouse. We'll click on properties. If your computer was not eligible to go to Windows 10 update and you couldn't see in the operating system Windows 10, then the best is to run the driver under the compatibility mode. So again, we'll just click on the driver. We'll select properties. We'll select compatibility, run compatibility troubleshooter, or we can just click run this program in compatibility mode 4, and you select the initial operating system of your computer, if it was a Windows 8 or if it was a Windows 7. And then you just click apply, you click OK, and you click run as administrator. Windows will ask you if you really are planning to run this software. You just click yes and you go ahead with the installation. So once the installation is done, you will have to go back again to Device Manager. You open the Control Panel Device Manager and you check if the drivers are there. So since the drivers are already installed and they seems to be fine, you have just to go through a restart and the sound should be working. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always just leave us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like, you can always encourage us by a like and a share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest video. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.